Let's be real. No one plans to have a dead battery. But when it happens, you better be ready. The team at Oxilam sent me this Y2 6000 amps jump starter to review, and while I haven't had to use it yet on an emergency, I've done my homework, and this thing can save you big time. I get it, another car gadget, right? But here's the thing. For anyone who daily drives, especially with older cars, having your own jump starter is like having a spare tire. You hope you never use it, but when you need it, it's the only thing that matters. And no, this isn't a sponsored video. They did send it, but there's no script, no pressure. Just my honest take on whether it's worth keeping in your glove box. However, this post may contain affiliate links, meaning I get commission if you decide to make purchase through my links, and at no cost to you, of course. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, what we have here is the sturdy storage case. Nice. It's hard. That's what she said, right? And then we also have a manual. Let's see. Yep, it's in English, folks, so that's good. And then we also have a smart jumper cable alligator clamps. They're tight. Yeah, she also said that, right? Next, we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And then lastly, we have the jump starter unit itself. It's called the Oxilam Y2 6000 amps. Alright, first impression. Surprisingly, it is compact and solid. The build is rugged with some non-slip design on the sides. It feels like it can take a drop or two. And the case keeps everything organized. It's also water resistant, which means it can handle rains or spills, but don't you ever expose it so it will last longer. In comparison with the size, let's see it side by side with a cell phone. This is a Google 7 cell phone, and also we'll get the GB40 Norco jump starting unit, which is about the same size. So it is compact. You could just put it in under your glove box. So that's my first take on it. Let's talk about its features and value. Here's where it gets interesting. It has a 6000 amps peak current, which means it can discharge initially a maximum amount of power or electrical current up to 6000 amps, normally for a very short period of time. And it claims it can start up to 40 times on a single charge. It also claims it can start smaller to bigger engines up to all gas engines, or up to the 12-liter diesel engines. It is also a portable power bank that can charge your phone, your laptop, tablet, digital camera via a USB-A and a USB-C output ports. And then it has also a 800 lumen super bright LED flashlight with 3 modes. We have the flashlight mode, SOS, and strobe lights. Strobe lights. Used for, of course, different emergency situations and long lasting lighting. Lastly, it also claims it holds charge for months on standby, so you don't need to top it off every week. I guess that's a good thing. So think about it. If your battery dies while you're camping, at a track day perhaps, late at night in a parking lot, this isn't just for you. This could be for your friend, your partner, or that random person who forgot their lights on. That's peace of mind, powered by lithium. All right. This review is not complete if we don't show you how to use the Oxilam jump starter. So it's pretty easy. If your car is not starting and you suspect that your battery is on its way out, this is what you do. Open your hood and locate your car battery. You turn on the jump starter and make sure it's at least 80% charged. Then connect the red alligator clip from your Oxilam jump starter to your battery's positive terminal. And then the black clip to the negative terminal of your car battery. Once you see a solid green indicator from the jumper, you start the car. If the car starts okay, you have to remove the jumper cables from the terminals within 30 seconds. That's per manufacturer's recommendations. But let's say the car didn't start on the first try. You have to wait another 30 seconds or longer before trying again. And this you could do 3 times as stated in the manufacturer's manual. Let's say you tried 3 times and the car didn't start at all. So you have to troubleshoot what's the cause. Is it really the battery or something else? Or maybe it's the jump starter itself. Maybe it's not fully charged or something. So that's it. That's how to use the Oxilam jump starter. Just refer to your user's manual if you have more questions. Okay, there's some downsides that you should know about this product, at least in my own opinion. The included jumper cables are short. It's fine for most cars, but it's kind of trickier on bigger vehicles. And then it doesn't have wireless charging. It's not a must, but it's convenience, I guess. You still need to charge it every few months, so don't set it and forget it forever. And obviously this doesn't replace regular battery maintenance or diagnostics. It's for emergency use only, not daily boosting. Finally, who is this product for? If you drive anything, especially older cars, performance builds, or live in colder climates, this is a smart buy. For just under $100, it gives you control in situations where most people feel helpless. I haven't had to use it on my own car yet, but I'd rather have it and not need it than be stuck without it one cold morning. So, if you're thinking of picking one up, I'll link a discount below. Use my name, Hashred Daily. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more realistic gear reviews and DIYs, and go into car shows and events. Let me know in the comments, have you ever been stranded with a dead battery? Until next time, stay ready, drive safe, and keep your tools tight.